Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Lyceum, a seat of learning by Lingua. Today I am going to address the non-English belt English speakers. If you desire to speak English well enough and to be understood when you are in an English belt country, please don't try to speak in such a way what is called correct English. The first thing is there's no such thing as ideal correct English. According to Judge Bernard Shaw, the famous greatest playwright, two simplest and commonest words in any language are yes and no. No two persons speak them exactly alike. Some say no, others say no, and some others say nay. Again, some say yes, while others say yes. In some places, people say yeah. Now, as they speak differently, it is nonsense to say that they all speak correctly. What we can say that they all speak presentably, and that if you speak as they do, you will be understood in any English speaking country and be accepted as a person of good social standing. To know the time, you ask the stranger, what o'clock is it? And you pronounce every syllable distinctly. But if you ask anyone and say clocked, you will be easily understood. If you wish to be understood by a person of English belt country, don't try to speak English correctly, because there's no such thing as perfectly correct English. There's presentable English, which we call good English. Few speakers from a non-English belt can stress every syllable and make voice up and down, rise and fall, in refusal and consent, in inquiry and information, exactly as a native does. Therefore, first speak English with strong foreign accent and speak broken English, that is, English without any grammar. If you say, will you have the goodness, sir, show me the way to Howrah station, you will not be understood. Just say, please, Howrah station, which way? You will be well understood. You will be surprised to know how little you need know and how badly you may pronounce them. The key to success, according to G.B. Shaw, is to speak bad English badly. If you have any special requirement, please drop in the comment box. Please share my videos with your associates and give a like, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that the notification of my videos can reach you first of all soon after they are uploaded. Thanks for watching.